On the front, you have two 20-pound propane tanks. They're both full and ready to go. It does have an auto changeover. That means that this arrow here is pointing towards this tank right now. It is red right now. As soon as you turn the tank on, it'll go green to let you know that the tank is full and ready to go. If this tank here is open, it will allow it to switch over to the opposing tank. You have two 6-volt batteries in the box here for you. Your battery disconnect switch is right here. So up is in the off position, pointing towards the frame is in the on position. Light switch on the side here operates your docking lights on the front. Hot water heater is a DSI electric. The switches for this are inside the trailer. Fresh water tank is right here. To drain your fresh water tank is a big white valve down there. You can also store your sewer hose in the black container there. City water connection is the one on the left. Antifreeze inlet on the right. Cable satellite hookups. Outside shower. This here's where you're going to plug your trailer into hydro. There is a 25-foot cord inside. Just line up the L and push the cord on. Evacs. So black water is a big handle with the black handle. Gray water is the gray handle there. You have 4 stabilizer jacks. There's one in each corner of the trailer. 3/4 inch crank is inside the trailer for you. Black water flush on the back. So this, when you have your hose hooked up to this, always remember to have your black water valve pulled. Track on the side here. This is for your outside griddle and side table. The propane for your griddle is going to come out of here. Always remember when you're in transit to have the yellow plug in the gas connection. 2 110 plugs. Outside speaker. This here is your range hood. So to open this up, you just push up on the little tiny tabs underneath and open it up. For transit, you always want to make sure they're in the closed position. Outside porch light, LED strip on the awning. Furnace exhaust. If you decide you need more solar, this is where you're going to plug in extra solar panels. There is already 190 watts on the roof. We have the MORryde step system here. So what this means, pull out on the blue little lever here. Step comes down. Always make sure your step is firmly on the ground and snug here at the top. When you close the door, you always want to make sure you do your transaction slow the first time to make sure the bottom of the door clears the step. To adjust these steps, you just simply grab a hold of the arm here, pull straight out. To put back in, there's a little lever here, you just push on, it slides down just like so. As soon as you come inside the trailer here, this is your main power panel. So to turn on your interior lights, just click the interior. This is your porch light, awning light, step light, awning in and out. Battery gauge, so batteries are full, fresh is empty, black is empty, gray is empty. Water pump switch, hot water heater on gas, hot water heater on electric, and you have tank heaters. The main GFI plug, so if you have any 110 power that's not working, that's where you're going to look. On the bed here, so we have our TV remote. We have our TV remote, and then we have our radio remote. This here is your mount hardware for the toilet paper holder and the towel bar holder. Freshwater filter with wrench, outside table. The box here is going to be your outside griddle. Barbecue lifter. You do have TST tire sensors. This is a foot if you want to change the wheel out on the jack to a foot. 3/4 inch crank. Owner's manuals are all in the bag. 110 power cord for you. This here, you press down on it, lift it up just like so to gain USB and 110 power. Bench, so this is simple. The table leg here just pulls out. The table just lifts off the back, lowers down onto these little black pucks here, and then your cushions come out to make it into a bed. Down here, this is your inverter power. So when you turn it on, you'll see that the green light comes on. This is producing 110 power with your batteries. Furnace control is on the wall here, so all the way to the left is in the off position. Turning over to the right, the furnace will turn on, do everything all by itself. Air conditioner, you just simply select whichever mode you want for it, and selecting your temperature back here at the back. Bunk ladder is on the top bunk here for you. Bathroom is pretty straightforward and simple. Light switch on the wall here. Fantastic fan up on the roof. Pull down on this, open up the vent, selecting your fan speed. There, once you're done, you can press the off button, closing your vent lid, and then locking up to the up position. You do have the Aquamizer down at the bottom here. So Aquamizer with this blue elbow, that is letting you know that the water is cold. When you turn this valve right here to the up position, that is going to be bypassing the water through the elbow. This is for hot water only when you're using your fresh water tank. Once the elbow goes gray, you then turn the elbow back down to the bottom to get the water to come out of the shower hose. You do have a 12-volt fridge. So fridge, simply just flip over there just like that. Your dial for this is on the right hand side. Directly below the fridge is your converter. So 110 breakers are on the left, 12-volt fuses are on the right. LP carbon monoxide detector is right beside the converter. Solar panel, all your information is right here for the solar panels for you. Stovetop, so you're going to lift up on the glass, standing it up. Always remember to have the glass stand up before you light your stove, using whichever burner you wish to turn on, and using the far left, only turning to the right for spark. If you have any questions or concerns, you can give us a shout at 519-371-0370, or you can email us at info@terrystrailer.ca.